iFroglab. So for this video, we are going to demonstrate how could you install the iFroglab LoRa gateway on QNAP system. Yep. So first thing, yeah, please find your device first. Plug in your device. We have a couple of solutions. One is we have two solutions. One for the hardware device. One is called the iFroglab LoRa USB. Another is Note. So depending on what kind of device do you have, please follow our construction and install it. And another one is yeah, please download the QFinder. QFinder from QNAP software. QFinder from the QNAP software. So this is a utility. So because the first thing you need to download these tools will be more easy to find the IP address and the device. The QNAP utility, the address in here, so it's easy to find it, and download the QFinder Pro. So download the yeah, it's cross platform. So you also depend on which platform you have right now. So download the software. Yeah, just download it. Pretty easy. Yeah. In the meantime, then yeah, for this video, we also need to working with this iFroglab LoRa gateway Docker. And please, we were doing the follow this construction and download the Docker and the execution, the whole system. So yeah, just just let you know what we are going on. So first thing, yeah, go back to the QNAP Finder. So continue to install it, install. Pretty easy. Just select the next out, yeah, and the whole system will install. Okay. For these tools, it's pretty convenient. You can maintain your QNAP system. Also, can search or figure out where is the IP address for your QNAP device. Device pretty easy. So make sure your device, your QNAP system already installed and connect to the internet. Also, I will recommend please restart your Windows system. Okay, so I paused the video a little bit until I restart my computer. Good. After I reboot the computer, and you can see that this IP address. QFinder can find this IP address. Yeah, please double click to open this login system. So so please log in the whole system. If you don't change the password, the default password in the username is username is admin, password is admin. Yeah, if you don't change the default password. So just make sure you have a successful and log into the whole system. Yep, very good. So turn off the message. So this is the QTS system in here. Okay, very good. And we also need to download another software. It's called Party. Yeah, it's a Windows software. It's called Party. So please download that. Depending on your operating system to download it. If you're not pretty sure which version, you can use a 32-bit version for the operating system. Yeah, party is once is a SSH login system. So this means you can remotely log into the and remotely log in and working with QNAP or iEi's device. Pretty convenient and yeah. Okay, got it. Yep, perfect. Yeah, let me open the party to make sure it's working. So for this party gateway, so you need to log into your device. First time when you open this one, they want you generate the key generation. So you just select the key generator. They will automatically generate the random random key. So for remotely access to your device. So just wait a little bit. So this can continue, huh? So first thing, yeah, please open your QNAP system, and we need to log into download and log into the container system. So first thing, please double check. Do you have let me see. Container system. Container system. Okay. So if you don't have a container system, it's pretty easy. Please download the App Center to download the container station first. So container station. If you can find it, yeah, you just search. So you can see the container station. So in my case, because I already downloaded, so I just update it. So if you don't have, please download. That's very easy. Search the container. I mean this keyword container, and definitely can find this one. So because it download need to take a couple of minutes, so let me pause the video. Then after you install, you can find the container station here, or either one is you can also find the container station on the desktop. So yeah, you can find the system there. Yeah, please wait a little bit because yeah, the system need to set the host, set the container station. Probably spend a couple seconds. So let's waiting for the start. Post the message and waiting for the system set the whole container station. If this container station still hold waiting, so please double click to start open this device. So if everything is working and install finish, so it will look like this. So you could definitely can open the container station. So for this container station, we need to download the last version of iFroglab Docker. Because I already installed it, so let me pause the video and delete the whatever I did before. To use a container station, please download the latest version of iFroglab LoRa container. So pretty easy. Select the create a container, and in the search button, please type in the iFroglab. So you definitely can find iFroglab this image container image. So please download that and download and create. Create it. Yeah, pretty small, so you definitely can download very quickly to install it. So if you finish, you can see the container in here. So there's everything in here. So please select here And the first thing you need to double check a couple of things. First thing is make sure you have device. If you connect your so make sure everything is here. So I would recommend to stop your container. So don't just use overview. Just make sure it's stop. Yeah. And because we need to have a set some command, use a command line to execution the LoRa gateway. So please make sure your TTY is working here. Yeah, please close this one. So first thing, and then after that, we need to open the TTY software, which you just download from the here. So just quickly repeat. So for the Windows, you can download the PPY from here. So after you install this one, so you definitely can find the PPY. Just double check is PPY and the PPY generator. The PPY. So in here, so you need to type in the IP address to SSH22, and what is the IP address? So you can check the either one is here. So you can see the one. In my case, is this IP address. So please type in whatever you see in there. Just evidence select the open to open the TTY. So yeah, please answer the yes to finish this one. And the username and the password is admin and admin. So after you log in, yeah, please double check the couple things. I will strongly recommend is typing this one in here, so you can see TTY start. And please see what's the domain name you have in here. In my case, is TTY USB 0. Yeah, but for the some case, I saw if you use a different kind of device, sometimes you will see the AM0 or something like that. So depend on what kind of device you have and what kind of the USB to serial port device. If you cannot find this files, please double check your USB 2 series Linux driver is working well. If it's not, I will recommend is changing another device. Will be more easy to connect to the LoRa. Okay, and for the second thing is please use a Docker images to see to double check. Yeah, you already installed this LoRa last version, and in this case, before running the LoRa gateway, please double check you are stop the user you stop this image in the container station, and there we need to have some command. So because command is pretty a little bit complicated, long. So I will recommend you just search the Docker Docker Hub iFroglab. So you can see who's the Docker. Okay, if you're gonna say that you cannot get the Docker, just go to Docker Hub and search the iFroglab. In here. So please copy and paste this command. Copy and paste to this command. So in this case, they have a couple command in the mode verify. Yeah, we already write down in here. First thing is your port. Yeah. So port 80 is this container's website, and the 3306 is MySQL, and we also have MQTT. So you also need to have a 1AA3 in there. So you should be have a 1AA. Oh yeah, but it's option. Yeah, because it was if we want to become the local MQTT server. And for the device, so double check what's the device name you saw in there. In our case, it's USB. Sometimes CM0, depending on what you have in this command. So I just change a couple things. First thing is because I use a container on this device, so I just type in the 80. So this means the container port 80, they will forward to the 82 and the MQTT. And what is my USB device? So my USB device, you can see it's USB TT10, USB 0. So replace AMC, and that's all. Enter. So remember here is 82. So you can see the system is running. So what kind of command I have? The first thing they need to start of something here. So I will tell you what they do later. So first thing, so everything look like perfect. So if you see some data around here, you can see some data here, especially for the MQTT property. Yeah, you can see that they send the data to the MQTT. So this one is whatever you got from the LoRa. So for this device, we also have some interesting function. First thing is dashboard. So copy whatever the IP address you have on the NAS and type in this one, and change the number, which you just modify. Yeah, in our case, our IP address is here. Our IP address is 82. In my case, yeah. So I type in this IP address and 82. So you definitely can see the dashboard here. So please, yeah, there's a real-time data, so you can see whatever data in here. So congratulations, so you already set up everything, and everything is working. So this is iFroglab, and for this video, yeah, we was demo through how could you run in the whole LoRa gateway container at QNAP system or an iEi industry computer. So for the if you cannot see this video, yeah, I will record another one to support you how to verify the what's wrong on your device. So see you later. Yeah, good luck.